How to sell on Flight Club. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would be learning how you can sell on Flight Club. So kindly watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. First step is to log in into your Flight Club account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see the different releases of sneakers that you can get on Flight Club. And at the top right corner, you'll see other options as well. So as you can see on this page, you cannot see anything like sell, right? That is because for you to sell, you'd have to go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon, open a new tab, and here type the question, how to sell on Flight Club. So after doing that, you can see different blog posts. Ensure you select the first one that is certified by Flight Club itself. So after clicking on sell with Flight Club, you'll be brought to the help page. So on this page, you can see ready to sell with Flight Club, create your account here. So after creating your account, of course, scroll down and then you can see the instruction, which is for you to create submission on sell.flightclub.com for the shoes you want to sell. Once received, we process and verify your sneakers authenticity. Then we list them across our networks, etc. So just go and click on sell.flightclub.com, and then you'll be taken to the Flight Club listings application page. It's on this page that you then submit your applications, fill in all of the form, add pictures of your sneakers, and then your sneakers would be Flight Club would process and verify their authenticity. And then once that's been verified, it will be listed across Flight Club channels, and then you'll be able to sell on Flight Club. So when your shoes sell, you can request a digital payouts via PayPal or through a bank transfer. So now also on this page, you can see sign in or register. So move to the top right corner, click on sign in since you have an account already, and then enter in your email as well as your password. All right. So click on sign in. So once you're able to log in, you'll be brought to the sales shoes page. In case you try logging in, it did not work, click on register and then create an account. And then once you've created an account, you'll be brought to this page. Okay. And so once you're on this page, you can see by the left side options like submissions listed, sold, removed. At the top right corner, you can see your initials, which stands for your account. And by clicking on it, details about your account would be displayed to you. And so the next step would be for you to go to the top part of the screen next to home. You can see sell shoes. Just click on it and then click on the search box and then type out the kind of shoes that you would like to sell. Okay. So for me, I want to sell Jordan products, for example. So just select any of the options that have been displayed because all of the different kinds of Jordan products will be displayed to you. So you can just search for it. And then once you're on this page, you'll be asked to add the size. What size of shoe would you like to sell? Then add the quantity. How many quantities do you have with you? For example, 3. And then you can see the price suggestion that has been displayed to you. So you can now set to the lowest price by clicking on set to lowest price. Or you can just set it to be higher than it is, depending on what you want. Okay, just set this price. Okay, because currently 262 is the lowest price, so you can set it as high as you want depending on the kind of profit that you want to get. And so after setting it that way, scroll down and click on add, then follow the list the menu processes in order for you to be able to make money by selling shoes on Flight Club. So this is how it works. Okay, once this shoes has been added and once you make payment, you can ask for once the client makes payments, you can ask for your earnings through by connecting your PayPal account to the Flight Club selling platform or by making payments through bank transfer on this platform. So thank you for watching and ensure you subscribe to this channel.